Maintaining hair thickening can be a difficult task, but there are home remedies that can promote thicker hair without spending a lot of money, are simple to use, and can be done in the comfort of your own home. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, where we discuss topics related to health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Many people, both men and women, are concerned about their hair thickness. Genetics, hormonal changes, and certain medical conditions are all factors that can contribute to hair thinning. There are various hair thickening products on the market. These remedies are made from natural ingredients that are widely available and have been proven to promote hair growth and thickness. Egg yolk and olive oil. The combination of egg yolks and olive oil can nourish the hair and promote thicker growth. The egg yolk's high protein content can help to strengthen the hair, while the olive oil can help to moisturize the scalp. For this remedy, combine 2 egg yolks and 2 tablespoons olive oil and massage into the scalp. Allow to sit for 20 minutes before washing with warm water. Fenugreek seeds. For centuries, fenugreek seeds have been used to promote hair growth and thickness. They contain folic acid, which is necessary for healthy hair growth and can help to strengthen the hair shaft. Soak a handful of fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Then grind them into a paste. Apply the paste to the scalp and rinse with warm water after 30 minutes. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a natural hair thickener that can help in hair growth and prevention of hair loss. It contains enzymes that can help in the removal of dead skin cells from the scalp, thereby promoting healthy hair growth. Apply aloe vera gel to the scalp and rinse with warm water after 30 minutes. Castor oil. For centuries, castor oil has been used to promote hair growth and thickness. It contains fatty acids and vitamin E, which can nourish the hair and promote healthier growth. Massage with castor oil into the scalp for 30 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Coconut milk. Coconut milk contains essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamin E and iron, which can help in hair growth and thickness. Combining equal parts coconut milk and water and apply on the scalp with hands. Allow to sit for 30 minutes before washing with warm water. If you have severe hair thinning or hair loss despite trying home remedies, you should see a dermatologist or healthcare professional. They can assist in determining the root cause and providing appropriate treatment. Thanks for watching. We upload new videos every week about health and healthy lifestyle. If this is your first time visiting my channel, please subscribe and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new videos.